Capture my soul, CK and Joe Boy, and the day on top of that jam. Now, still Naija FM on the 2.7, now in position for live and direct. 10 minutes, don't escape, leave level AM for today, 17th day of October 2023. Lady J, the beauty in the Assam Party, one of Naija FM on top across the bridge with R1B and
Becca Bliss.
Sharply, we'll just get 1 or 2 yarns with Lady J before we proceed and discharge come up for studio, because we don't really miss this communication for a while again. Now, why would your officer say, didn't necessarily say, you do 1 or 2 back arrangement. You get it. Yeah, have you been? You good?
Now you see me. Now you see me.
No, sorry. Now me error. Now me mess up.
No. Now you see me. Now
have you been? I'm fine. No fiancé.
Now
later you say person data see you. Simple answer.
Question. Now you they see me.
Why you go to use? You they use answer. You they use question. They answer question. Who does that?
DJ does that.
It's thank God you don't identify who you be really. But anyway, welcome. How have you been? Answer.
I go answer now.
Why you not start this thing with fight?
No, not be quarrel now.
I'll be quarrel now.
Answer. How have you been? Answer.
Like saying they talk to students.
Because I want
like saying
move.
they teach students.
I want move come up for that
if you be soldier, the civilians are going to sing win.
No, I not going to be like that. You know say I be like.
Now so you don't say them.
You be like waiting.
Come down from that front seat.
You be like waiting.
No, I won't do that.
You sure?
I go do my own car. Why I go they drag boss with person when I be military person? No, I'll get my own car. Anyway, Lady J, how have you been?
I did okay. I did alright.
Everywhere good, right?
Very good.
I love your earrings, right? Not be the color, huh? Nice one. Where you get this one from?
Na gift.
Oh, nice. It's beautiful. The person must get you in mind when you take buy her.
Very much.
It's impressive. Anyway, so briefly, I don't know if you see Lekon tweet for a while. You don't say we never really hear from Lekon, apart from the last time when they featured on top the Big Brother Naija All Stars, when he come as
we hear about after that in song where he sing. I know me say don't talk so we never hear about that song. That is song now.
After the song, we not come hear about that for a while. Now they can't show for Big Brother Naija Stars.
He's saying they doing masters for.
Yeah, that's what I'm driving to. We'll not be saying.
Why you turn to driver since morning? So because since morning, since 6 we don't drive.
Yes, we are all drivers. You can drive your phone, you're a driver. You get so we know your phone until they feature for the Big Brother Naija All Stars. After that we not call your phone until recently. It just started to the trend, and I think a lot of people don't understand waiting me when it tweets say I bet wait to. So there are people in bracket Nigerians living in Nigeria actively hoping and praying for things not to get better in this country because their preferred candidate isn't the current president. He can't put question mark. So it's almost like they ask question when he hear from your observation from people. You get, because if you listen to read from the first beginning, it be like say they tell us say some people inside the country they pray they made this current administration fail.
Because so not be their preferred candidate.
You get me? And who is the preferred candidate? Either Peter Obi or Atiku. So he's almost saying like the supporters of those presidential aspirants right now from this party, they pray Nigeria spoil. You get,
so that they go use and talk in the future.
Say Shebi we tell you. It just be like when people go talk Buhari. Shebi we won on 2015. I know we now vote for another. See, and I'm all face and together. You get, we know how that arrangement be. But from the other side, some people they of the opinion say this tweet they very insensitive because it's like you poking some set of people you get. Why some people go think okay, does it really make sense? Say people really inside the country they pray say because not be their lead, their own preferred candidate make the country spoil. Does it even make sense like humanly thinking?
It don't make sense because if you say if really get people where they pray say make things possible that my candidate go, but so that will proof point say now based on whoever it is you choose. May I tell you the spoiling way they go on, they touch you too.
Everybody they collect.
All of us they collect.
So
whether you pray or you no pray, all of us we they collect. So rather than I don't want to believe say some set of people they pray that kind prayer.
It doesn't make sense.
I feel
that you know
because at the end of the day the prayer and I say whoever go there make it do the work
exactly. Make Nigeria better.
Make Nigeria better. That's not the prayer of everybody. But if because of say person where you know like they there make things spoil. See if things spoil, you there inside the country. So since not go they spoil and then it go they okay for you as you understand. I don't know if it make any sense, but You know follow abeg.
And to be sincere and may I speak from my realistic point of view, I'm not sure say anybody Nigeria
they somewhere
really they pray the country because of the candidate. I'm not sure any reasonable person dey like that. I just believe say maybe in hear rumors or hear gist when they funny, but you just can't take am serious and decide to tweet things like this. Anyway,
the only thing why I know nah just shebi we want to na.
But I'm saying you come make your prayer point say make the country may fail because last time you dey inside the country you go see suffer.
You go see suffer.
Whether you join to make decision to vote for this person or not, we all will face the consequence or face whatever we face. You get me?
Since that the portable of Naija FM. Accept first. I want to.
No, I cannot accept
Why
that title.
Why we not accept it?
I not go. They fight for spray money.
Why
you don't go accept? Because you are the portable of Naija FM.
Really? So, but portable no.
You want to talk about
portable no arrange like this now.
Oh well, hey,
portable. So they try to say arrange fast portable.
Yes, now.
But portable they try they gadget. Now you're saying they buy the original.
Wait, Lady J indirectly.
I'm very sorry, with all due respect to every portable fan.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I dey look waiting in way, no be like say gadget. No, it just be like bend down.
Select. So now they try tell you portable not be that when they spend money on top those expenses. If they go for original bend down select when you be see.
But you know, say this daddy they wear Adidas. If portable want to wear Adidas, portable go buy the original Adidas, not Adidas. He go rather tell you say this. Say they don't rip you. This Adidas where I buy. But that select now 5,000 they sell am for. So me now 150K I buy am.
But I feel portable they dress based on who he be or based on what he represent. He not be dressed like the Kizania. He not be dressed like the Whiskey. He not be dressed like the Davido. So he get your own type of cloth when in they identify.
Since that you know if you allow me talk with someone, I say so indirectly. Lady J, they talk say this man the guard up well.
He the guard.
You know say I dey try now normally now. You don't know if you take that away from me now.
I dey call am fine.
He not go use his mouth to talk about. We know the truth.
They put words inside my mouth.
DJ talk. He's a fine boy.
He not go talking.
That question is very tricky.
No, you know one answer on top of
no, I don't go answer that question.
I don't know how they feel. You get.
I feel about who? About you. I beg. If not dream, they dream. Wake up, oh. Na reality.
See, no joke. You don't put the eye on us. We know now. We just.
Who be the us?
You get. Now just say they bring us up in a moral standard.
You need to hold on because another slap they come very soon.
Slap from who now?
Just the whole ourselves.
My wife slap am this morning.
Yeah, God, what happen?
I want to give my wife peck. My wife dey dream, and if be like say I make sure they dream about for the movie.
He say inside the dream, say he slap am.
Because she can't do it for real life.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Only for my wife to tell me say time God say na slap because for the dream na blood and they see. I don't be wait to reach as where I know waiting around that slap. Which kind of dream she did?
So how she happen? She just wake up, just slap you.
No, I normally if I wake up, once I don't ready for work, I'll give her peck, give my daughter peck and my son peck. So as I want give her peck now, as I just put my mouth close to her cheek now, now you're you know say the room dark because I don't like I see light. I see light at the end of the tunnel.
So you see light at the end of the tunnel and your wife
baby what's it? Now Tapa he want to vest join and I say no you just stop. He say oh sorry now I sleep. So now this morning he come send me message say now dream she did dream.
So she slapped
now
you.
Make she slap me. Okay. But she can't let me know say but for the dream now blood she see.
Hey,
say man I will thank God say
oh God. Oh.
So I never know what I do for dream right now.
You dream. Go pray when you dream.
No,
so that when you wake up
it dey happen. You know say sometimes when you dey dream, sometimes you dey wake up from that last moment when you see for that dream.
Especially when you go talk say pẹ̀lú ìjayà like
with shock and the rest. Yeah. You tend to act that last part of that your dream. Like that time I tell you say I cut I'm rubber hand.
Yeah.
Like wake up like they do like say I
hold you go look for your cutlass.
You get go the so it always be like I think na wetin happen.
Even me myself, I remember one time where we say I dey sleep and for that very dream I see masquerade. for that dream. He said masquerade they pursue me. Pursue me. Yeah. So the person, the guy, mommy, I'm still okay.
Yes.
So the guy
before mommy go start prayer now.
No, but yeah, like that. My friend, maybe I go in place where I sleep over. It was he they pray. They always pray. Yeah. So and the way they do the prayer now, aggressive prayer.
Yeah.
Now prayer will not be the other
aggressive
one.
Prayer.
Aggressive prayer. Okay. So even like someone come place hand on top of my head or something.
Yeah.
Now so I shout.
I
shout from the dream. I say, blood of Jesus.
Now you throw your hand.
So when they say, I'm praying for you. I say, you are praying.
Because at that point, your dream, now you see the feast, say, be the continuation. So what did happen to you? You feel that the continuation of your dream when you go until you come to realize.
No, it happened, because even of recent, get one particular night, I decided to sleep for sitting room. I can't see, say, my brother did tap me. Say, what happened? Say, I did talk for my dream. I did call Jesus.
Yeah, some people they sleep talk.
Say, I don't remember. Now later when I can't remember, I say, nightmare I did get. Yeah. So at that point in time, I don't even know, say, I don't they talk out for my sleep.
You know, some people they sleep talk, some people they sleep walk.
Sleep talk where.
I know one of my friends when they sleep talk that time. You go waka, you go come up for your own room. You go come your own room.
I hope say this your friend is not married now. Before you go
waka go one guy somebody else that dream. There is an excuse. Honey, why did you land up my neighbor's house? I was sleepwalking.
You don't happen to me when I did small. We don't sleep, and then never take like that night. I just wake up, open. They don't lock door. Okay. As I open door, go our neighbor house where they watch TV. I just knock for them. I just sit down. I small. They can't look me. They
not pray for you.
What did this girl they do here? But later they can say, we want to sleep. We want to sleep.
They go your house.
So I can't get up now. My papa say, what did enter my head? Until now I don't know waiting. I just know say I wake up.
Yeah, I think some of all those sleep talk or sleep walk now. It's the result of too much play. Now our parents they explain to us that time. You know, most of the conversation when they get now conversation when you get. That very day before you even sleep. Like, leave me, not touch me. Yes. What did they do? You they crazy? Come over here. Your father, this and that. So those conversations, based on say you overplay too much, you go carry enter.
But some adults where we know overplay, how come?
Some adults they overplay. You know, you get one story where I read when one woman catch your husband say they chase now. Because the husband they sleep talk. They call another again.
Hey God!
I think 2019.
Wow!
Don't touch me like that. Don't touch me like that, Anita. What's wrong?
Hey God!
Anita.
How you want to explain this one now?
Why they take catch her now?
Because my friend is the wife wake up. Who is Anita?
Anita, you go
say I don't understand. But you were calling Anita.
So sleep talk most time now from reality they be. I don't say most women don't know they sleep or the women their husband sleep talk on that.
I know family friend with during the time of SSC. Say that then they sit down they gist to their sister they sleep. So inside her sleep and the girl just start today maths, physics, chemistry, biology. So they can't shock. They look she get they sleep as in her eyes closed, but she just they call all the subjects together. When she wake up from they can't tell them say she just they call all the subjects. She say na lie. She said that all the subjects she just they call. She said maybe na the stress of the exam.
You go down overthink and say, I get this paper today and tomorrow. Maybe before you sleep, you think so the thing can't enter dream. But last, be careful when you dream.
So you get one funeral worker where they arrest last week. They say this guy say they go do chichonyon with a life-size doll wey belong to a dead man.
Yeah.
When they tell him say may he transports
the live doll. You know live doll?
Live doll.
Dummy. When that says toy. That says human. Says doll. Not be toy. Yes. Says doll.
First of all, which country this thing happen?
I go still give you the details now. Yeah, the guy named now 41. They arrested him last week Friday on charges.
He named now 41.
No, the guy age now 41.
Okay.
He named now Ryan Smith.
Okay.
So they can't charge him of burglary, criminal trespassing, tampering with physical evidence. Say they come with firearm. They sack him come off from the mortuary job way they do. They say Smith spotted the sex doll inside the Rock Creek apartment until he and a colleague were dispatched to collect the body of a man who died as a natural death according to the court documents. So they say the pair were working on behalf of Mid Africa First Call, a company where they remove plus transform plus embalm and cremate dead body.
Okay.
Later that day, Smith allegedly called the property manager and claimed the Sapi County Sheriff Office was sending him back. I said they send her back.
Okay. After I don't command the man when died, but they go mortuary.
Yes, say make it come collect the doll. Say because they won't swap the doll for a biopsy. Biopsy. They said the manager that one give and kiss. Okay, go carry the doll. They can't expect this guy go. Come outside. They can't hear noises.
From the guy, soundtrack.
So the manager come enter. What's going on? And so he catch this mate. Say he they do chichonyon with the doll. While investigating noises, they come from inside the unit where they don't dead bolt and lock with a chain already. So Smith then allegedly walk out with his clothes. The chef that is the clothes no day where it's supposed to again. And they come. They want the manager say he go return to come collect warrant for that doll.
Hey.
The manager called the police and reported the fiasco, saying he was worried. Say the funeral worker go return to break in and instead steal that property from the apartment. Investigators arrive and notice the several items inside the unit has been moved since the death. So the Douglas County Crime Lab, now the way they in the midst of processing fingerprints lifted from the move item, can they plan to request for DNA samples from the doll as well.
For doll.
Doll.
Okay, to know whether they really sleep with her.
Yes, maybe not to say they say a natural death kill the man. So they want to maybe now when they do maybe now from there he take enjoy himself into heaven. So Justin Dalton, owner of Mid African, but they try to talk but they don't talk, say they don't arrest the guy.
Okay, so they try.
Imagine
the
only thing will come my head. I don't know if you don't watch this movie, Jumping the Broom.
No. Okay. No, Nigerian movie.
No, be a Nigerian movie. Now for this movie, the wedding weekend deal. So one of the bridesmaid, the bridesmaid, they somehow they attracted to the main cook of that. So they house all of them for one place. So one of those nights now, when the chef they give them samples of some of the things we then they go make for the wedding. As in the day they attracted, put something for mother, don't they kiss them. The oven don't catch fire. They go now, and at that time they don't come out trouser and everything. So they know the get they tell them say ide bono. Instead they
on top, see they enjoy
ide born until the alarm can't go off, smoke there everywhere. Then people they sleep for house can't come out. When they can't wake up, they can't see the two of them without their clothes on. Not their clothes on, their clothes they on, but they down. So when the cook notice it, they say, everything they okay, everything they alright. The girl don't run. Then the one will make me laugh the most now this guy, now the in-law to the groom. He can't tell them say, I hope they will not carry a private papu for his side. You see watch out.
Oh, this guy's so they like.
No, not true now. He said because he don't understand how waiting the connection be between cooking and waiting then they do.
But I'm not sure say they need to arrest this guy. Apart from the fact say
that property not be you.
The property not be you. I
ain't
like go. Yeah, ain't
go back to go do chichonyo with sex.
But not door no.
Because say they never even do investigation.
So you don't mess up the investigation because we don't even know whether inside the door too.
And they go need to collect
people when they do door they restore or be they discharge and back. If you
anybody they use sex doll here.
Sex doll. How they be?
Don't say what is a sex doll?
Because now when they say they want swap, is it like he get normal human organ and everything?
No, they go make him like a human.
But since that you will always get experience with your friends.
I not get experience with sex doll.
So your friends don't get experience.
My friends don't get anyone.
Are you sure?
Which kind of question with that one?
You need to dey sure verify. Now only yourself you know.
I feel apart from the fact
But the
say
guy
interest
sef na
part
psycho
really.
sef.
Yeah, so
if I
I don't know
do their
wetin make
research,
am.
make them collect whatever.
That
to
means he
affect.
must be staff, not be so that they call
Yeah.
her. For her to feel say where to derive pleasure put now sex door of a man when he die. When you never know that the sex door even kill himself, you go back there go do teachers. That means he's not mentally alright. Or
Okay,
he
you don't
staff.
think the words come from my mouth. I feel say something
Not
dey
the
wrong with
mentally
am
sound.
Somebody
somewhere.
say maybe the door don't cast a spell on top am. I say,
Door.
what day
Who talk that one?
Now one of the comments, say I
Okay.
say they should say the door has a hold on him.
Now make
After
it
the
come
spell, I
back.
bet this guy must have had sex with other dead bodies as well.
Yeah.
All the talk say if he come back, can't do cheat on you with the door.
No,
Because door dey lifeless
Door,
now.
no, door they active. Yeah, so
But
don't be like that
you know
body.
fit even compare the sex where you go get with doll with human.
Now they talk, but you can't even compare that with
also
dead body. You get me? Because the way I think the way they now make a go and the way they maybe they
No, ask any of your
they
friends.
do proper. My friend not get her. They not get.
You sure?
Instead of them to
Enter their
spend,
house.
you know how much to buy some of all these doors. Now they run the thousands of dollars.
Your friends are big boys now.
Now be the thing. So this
All your friends
now,
dem
if
be
you enter
ballers
Lekki now, just spend small money everywhere. Double buzzy you get. So
They
why
bubble
waste for a life? Come they meet door instead of when life human being day when you feel. No, our madness never reached there.
Well, some people you go surprise say some people die them. I know person wey be say her boyfriend no dey touch am. He say until they marry, only for am to catch am, they do chichoyon with
Door for Nigeria.
Yes.
Your friend.
No be my friend though.
I beg you, they comot.
Oh.